Hey, what is up? This is Ron Palmer and welcome to my browser agent review. This is a new product by abhi dwivedi, and essentially this cloud-based software is going to do everything that you can do on your browser, but AI is going to automate that process for you. So there's some other options out there that you can use, like Claude, for example. It does have a similar feature to this. The difference is, of course, is in cost. I think browser agent is going to be so much better in that sense. And essentially, you're going to be able to, as I mentioned, automate many of the tasks that you usually do on your computer. I find this very useful to save time, but also make more money by saving time or automating stuff that you don't want to do yourself. That's, hence the name browser agent. So as you can see here, I'm inside the actual dashboard. And if you want to check out my bonuses, that being said, you're going to be able to find those below in the description of this video. So essentially, this is how this looks like. If we have a look at the sales page, it says browser agent, most AI gives advice. This one does the work, which is actually the case. Watch a real AI take over any browser and finish a full day's online work in 7 minutes. So it's actually doing that. You can do this use this for different purposes. Like if you want to find dentists in Miami, you do local work, and that's the way you can use this software. You want to have it post your content to every social account, you can also do that. You want to research your competitors. There's so many things that you can do here with this. And the cool thing is actually working inside a browser that they have inside their system. So you don't have to worry about using your browser, which is the case with software such as, for example, Claude. And you can see all the details here. Pretty cool stuff. I like it, but you'll have to check this out in your own time. So that being said, if we head back to the actual product, you can see if we check the actual dashboard here, you're going to be able to see the missions. Missions are the actual tasks that the app is going to do. And you can see here the active workers. And essentially, there's 3 sections. We have run new mission, view all missions, and we have manage browser profiles. You can actually set up a profile here if you want to, not needed for all the cases. Then we have run new mission. You can give the software a new mission from scratch, or you can view the current missions that are available here. And there should be templates. And as you can see, if you go to templates, you can find different kind of missions that these bots can accomplish. Like, for example, they can scrap Google Maps for leads. You can create this mission based on these templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. We have LinkedIn Profile Researcher. We have Yelp Business Extractor, Product Hunt Makers Finder, local SEO rank reader, Facebook group, member extractor. There's different things that you can do basically to use this software. So if we head over and check these other different sections, you can basically schedule these missions. You can see the results. You can see your browser profiles. I haven't added one here, but you can easily do that here if you want to by adding the site domain name, username, and the password. And it's basically going to add that here. So that's essentially how this works. So if we go to a run new mission, let's say I want to go to Munchai and find products because I promote products on Munchai or from Munchai. Basically, you can just go and say Munchai scraping. So I could, ask this software to do the following. I'm going to type in the description here. Go to munchai.com and find all the listings from Jono Armstrong. So like this. And let's see what happens. So I'll go here and I would type in munchai.com. Okay, didn't understand. Let me see here. Munchai.com. And then I paste it here. And the output format can be in these different formats. So it can be CSV or text. I'm going to go for text here. And you can schedule this mission, as I mentioned earlier, to do it on a regular basis. In this case, I'm just going to run the mission now, and it's going to start doing that. That's all you have to do. So there's essentially two ways. You can ask the software to do it for you, like according to your description, or you can use the templates, whatever works best for your specific case. So as you can see here, it's not going to open up your browser. It's going to use a browser that's actually inbuilt inside this system, which is very convenient if you're worried about security issues. You don't have to worry about that. It's working here. As you can see here, it's going to start working, analyzing the page content. Essentially, you can also use any of these different missions if you want to, right? So that's essentially how this works. If you want to check out my bonuses, you're going to find those below in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And the bonuses are these ones. So the first one that I'm going to be giving you is my high ticket 100K training course. Really cool stuff based on what I do and I've been doing for the last 8 years online. Traffic generation masterclass to your first 6 figures. Also really good training based on what I'm currently doing right now as well. I keep doing that. Get my 10x your commissions app. Really good stuff. I use this on a daily basis. It's been, life-changing for me. And I think you're going to love this one. It's an app. So I'm hosting this on my own server. Instant traffic and ranking system app, also really, really good. So real stuff that actually makes you money based on my own results. And of course, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses on top of the stuff that I'm giving you, which is exclusive to me. You're not going to find this anywhere else. Now, talking about the prices, the front end is going to cost $37. So this is the complete AI internet worker. Type any task, watch it work live, schedule it to repeat, and run 500 plus ready-made missions across 8 categories. Unlimited tasks, no per task fees, full training. So it's basically a $37 one-time versus other kind of, browser agents like Claude, which is going to cost you like a monthly fee. And on top of that, if you use it more, it's going to cost you more. So definitely worth it. The O2 number 1 is a done for you empire for $197. You get everything done for you, 500 pre-tuned missions, 12 plug and play income campaigns. So yeah, basically you get a lot of stuff here. Local lead empire, dropship hunter, cold email cache machine, content octopus, and more. 100% ready to use leads, 200 plus cold email templates, 12 done for you service sales pages, client proposal templates, the 0 to first 1K training, and quarterly refreshes for a year. This is what you get here. OTO2 Agency Pro, $97, turns browser agents into a business commercial license to charge clients 25 client sub-accounts, full white label, their logo, their brand, their domain, your brand, your logo, brand and client reports, and ready-made proposals. Everything you need to charge clients for, $497 to $2,000 per month for work the AI does in minutes. Then we have the LTO number 3, Chain Builder Pro for $67. Link missions into hands-free pipelines. The results of one task automatically feeds to the next. 100 plus done for you chain templates, a record, and replay builder and triggers that connect to the tools that you already use. This turns one-off tasks into automated income systems that runs unattended. The O2 number 4 is the Unlimited Ghost, $147, removes every limit for the power users, 10 simultaneously workers, 24/7 cloud execution, close a laptop, it keeps running, stealth mode to handle the toughest sites, bulk mode to run a task 1,000 times at once, and API access. This upgrade series users grab the moment they outgrow the basics. So you're going to love this one. And especially the front-end offer, I like because you get all of this for a front or a one-time payment. If you want, done for you, you want to go for the OTO1. If you think more towards the agency stuff, go for the OTO2. If not, you can skip this one. And this one I don't know much more about, but the OTO4 removes every limit to this offer. So I recommend definitely the front end, the OTO1 done for you empire, and the OTO4. So that's my take on it. You can see all the details here below in the description, or if you are on my bonus page, you can just scroll down the page and you basically, check all of these bonuses here. Custom made, exclusive to me. Once again, thank you for watching my Browser Agents review, and I guess I'll talk to you soon. Take care.